Dealing with the Pstilldll Library DLL error in Psstill app? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. Before we get into the technical process for Pstilldll library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Pstilldll library, the PStill PostScript and PDF converter engine. This library provides unmanaged C++ routines for the localized conversion of PostScript vector data streams into PDF manifests. It manages high-precision coordinate mapping and font embedding for professional printing suites. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Since Pstilldll Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the PStill toolkit performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Pstilldll library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Pstilldll Library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to Pstilldll library. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Pstilldll library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.